Friends, can you imagine a motorcycle that for under 38,800 yuan or $5,400 in Chinese market pricing gives you 100 horsepower, a 3-cylinder engine, and advanced technology usually seen only in premium European superbikes? Today, we are talking about the Zontes 703T. Is it going to be the most powerful and affordable 3-cylinder tourer on the market? Its feature list might just make your head spin. Today, we'll dive deep into this mecha monster and see if it's truly worthy of being in your garage. Now let's talk about its engine and performance. The biggest highlight of this bike is its 699cc 3-cylinder platform. This is the fourth model from Zontes built on this powerful engine. Previously, we've seen the 703RR sports bike, 703R Street Fighter, and 703F adventure bike on this same platform. Speaking of power, it doesn't hold back. Its output matches the sports version, the 703RR, exactly. It is capable of producing a maximum of 102 horsepower and 74.5 Newton-meter of torque. It has a compression ratio of 13.1, indicating it is a very high-performance engine. When you ride on the highway, the roar and smoothness of this triple-cylinder engine are bound to impress you. Talking about the look of the Zontes 703T, it looks a lot like a robot from a science fiction movie. According to sources, it follows the design style of the 703F, giving it a mecha or robotic appearance. The bike's build is quite sturdy, yet the weight has been kept under control. Its frame is made of the familiar one-piece molded aluminum alloy twin spar frame. The total curb weight is 206 kilo. With a length of 2095 mm and a width of 880 mm, the seat height is set at 790 mm, which will be quite comfortable for Asian riders. Additionally, its 1480 mm wheelbase ensures stability on the highway. The most surprising feature is its fuel tank. Despite such a slim body, it features a massive 20-liter fuel tank, allowing you to easily cover over 300 kilometers on a single fill. Now let's talk about the suspension and handling. For a touring bike, ride quality is paramount. Zontes has left no stone unturned here. It utilizes the world-renowned Marzocchi suspension kit. These suspensions are not just premium, they allow you to adjust preload, compression, and damping according to your needs. According to sources, the front suspension travel is 140 mm and the rear travel is 130 mm. For wheels, it features 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels with a 120-section tire at the front and a wide 180-section tire at the rear. This will provide excellent grip during cornering or high-speed cruising. Now let's get to the technology. The Zontes 703T is so packed with features that many expensive luxury bikes would lose to it. It has a massive 8-inch TFT dashboard, but the real magic is hidden inside. For safety, the Zontes 703T includes a 6-axis inertial measurement unit that tracks the bike's balance and movement, along with cornering ABS to make braking safer while leaning into turns, and a traction control system to prevent wheel slips. To make the riding experience even easier, it features a bi-directional quick shifter for gear changes without the clutch, and of course, cruise control is included for those long highway tours. The list of comfort features is equally impressive. Starting with an electric windshield you can adjust with the push of a button. For riding in freezing cold weather, it comes equipped with heated handle grips and seat heating. One of the most unique additions is the inclusion of front and rear dash recorders. These cameras are mounted on both ends of the bike to record your entire journey, which is a fantastic feature for vloggers or general security. And when it comes to price and versions, Zontes has launched this bike in 2 tiers to offer great value for the money. The Nissan version is priced at 38,800 yuan, which is approximately $5,400 in Chinese market pricing. For riders who want more perfection in their braking performance, the Brembo version is available for 4,300 yuan, or roughly $5,750. So if you are looking for a bike that you can use for daily commuting as well as long weekend tours, the Zontes 703T could be an excellent choice. This combination of a 102 horsepower 3-cylinder engine and premium electronics is almost impossible to find at this price point. What do you think? Can this mecha-styled 3-cylinder bike take on Japanese or European brands? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video!